Hello guys, it's me, Emma LPS, and today
Doctor,
it is a terrible
Dr. Griffin
night.
What's he have?
Look at this.
And I'm glad
It's flooding
that we took
everywhere,
her out.
and there's going to be a
I
flood,
didn't
flood according to the
Right.
weatherman and all that. We're heading to our house right now, which is right there.
Been too much
And
on me.
anyways, we're just going to the store pretty fast. Our house.
Yeah, that's right.
And that's my neighbor's house. Her name is Julia, and she comes to her house right down there. We're going to visit, and there's gonna be ice storm tonight. I don't know, but it's gonna be bad.
Her teacher will give her a lot of extra homework.
Yeah. If what?
Of course, again,
She gets to school.
here.
They'll give her
Then don't let her miss. Just be prepared to go after her. Okay? When she poops on herself.
Nurse said she's not the only child that does that.
Okay, it's raining. It's raining back here so